Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Couchbase CLI and manage buckets for cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Couchbase CLI, visit the official Couchbase website. Navigate to the Downloads section. Select the version of Couchbase server that matches your operating system. Scroll down to find the Couchbase CLI tool. Click on the appropriate link to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file. For Windows, double-click the installer and follow the prompts. For Mac, open the downloaded file and drag the Couchbase CLI into your Applications folder. For Linux, extract the downloaded tar file and run the installation command in your terminal. After the installation process is complete, open your command line interface. To verify the installation, type Couchbase CLI and hit Enter. You should see a list of available commands and usage information. Now, let's connect to your Couchbase server cluster. Use the command Couchbase CLI clusterinit to initialize your cluster. Enter your desired cluster name, username, and password. Once the cluster is initialized, you can start managing your buckets. To create a new bucket, use the command Couchbase CLI bucket create. Specify parameters like the bucket name, bucket type. To list all existing buckets, use the command Couchbase CLI bucket list. This command will display all your buckets along with their If you need to delete a bucket, use the command Couchbase CLI bucket delete. Enter the name of the bucket you wish to delete. Always ensure you have backups before deleting any data. To manage bucket settings, use the Couchbase CLI bucket edit command. This allows you to modify memory allocation or enable/disable additional features. Explore the Couchbase documentation for advanced CLI commands. This will help you fully utilize the capabilities of Couchbase CLI. With these steps, you are now equipped to manage buckets effectively in Couchbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.